Hey everyone! So today I'll be going over some pair of gloves that I'm sure you guys have seen before. So these are a pair of boxing. Well, actually, these are considered Muay Thai boxing gloves, um, and they are by a company called Twins. If you're aware of equipment that's made for the boxing, Muay Thai, MMA world, then I'm sure you guys are aware of Twins gloves. These the ones specifically. These are the 16-ounce red leather gloves that come with that are laced up, and just kind of go from there. So a lot of times the reason why you're going to want to get 16-ounce gloves, depending on your weight, a lot of times the bigger guys, anybody that's about 180 pounds and more, even 170-pound guys, you guys want to get gloves that are 16 ounces. So it's going to be the biggest glove that you can find, because a lot of times those guys are going to have a lot more power, so you're going to want to have a lot more cushion around there, because you don't want to injure or accidentally injure your sparring partner. So these ones specifically have the lace-ups. I specifically like lace-ups as opposed to the strap, because a lot of times, depending on how these are built, you don't need wraps, because these when you tighten these up, these are actually going to stay really nicely along your wrist. These ones specifically, the reason why I stopped using these is because the lace on these is actually a little short. Reason being is because if I can easily, let me show you how this works. If I can easily put my hand, if I can easily put my hand into them that easily, then all of a sudden I don't have enough wrist support. If you can tell here, a lot of my other set that's a little more expensive, and that I have that's lace-up gloves. I always have to have somebody. I always kind of have to struggle to put them in. I also have to have somebody kind of help me out. So that's kind of the reason why I switched over. So I just kind of let you guys know that if you guys are looking for a set of gloves for lace-ups, Twins is probably not going to be necessarily a good idea when it comes to that. The lace, I'm not sure exactly how long it is, but I kind of had to move over from it because I was starting to have wrist issues. You can, if you want, kind of make this tighter, but at one point you see it's already as tight as it can be, and at that point you still need wraps. So for me specifically, I don't like wearing the wraps. It takes too long, especially if I'm not doing a serious sparring session. If I'm just doing some pad work, I usually don't like to do wraps. But the problem is that if this thing doesn't stay too tightly knit on your wrist, like it is here, then if somebody that's padding you, if they accidentally hit too hard on the pad when you're hitting it, you're gonna mess up your wrist. So the more expensive ones that I have don't have that issue, because pretty much the laces are longer, and so I'm able to make this tighter. So that's why a lot of times I have to have people tie me in. Anyways, so going on to the actual glove themselves, they have a lot of padding. I mean, it is a 16-ounce glove, so you're gonna expect that. These were used for about a year and a half, almost 2 years, and the wear and tear on them is actually pretty nice. A lot of times what you're going to have with gloves is that this part right here, so you can tell, this part would already be ripped. No matter how much you condition them, that's just going to happen. And this part right here as well too. The difference between these gloves and other gloves is that the thumb support here is actually a lot more. Sometimes you have different gloves, especially if they're boxing gloves, the thumb support is going to be a lot smaller here. And a lot of times what you're going to have is that from Muay Thai gloves, you're going to have a thicker support here on the side here, because a lot of times if you're not catching kicks and things like that, you're going to want to have more support there. So far, that's pretty much it's been good. It's been good to wear. I just had to just stop using them because of the lace was too short. But if you notice here, this is pretty much where I started to have a tear, which is kind of weird because that part actually doesn't move in too terribly much. But I do suspect this is because the laces are too small, so this actually created too big of an opening and caused this to compress. But otherwise, if you look at them, that's pretty interesting, right? For a year old, they're actually not too bad. From my understanding, so let me go ahead and come a little closer here to this. from my understanding here, as you can tell here, handmade, first quality, genuine leather, Thailand. So you're always going to want to get leather gloves. Leather is going to be really nice because once it molds to your hand, you're going to have a nice feel to them, and it's going to become a lot more natural. The downside to the leather part, obviously, as you see here, is that as much conditioning as you do for it, you're not gonna, you're always gonna have those issues right there. You're always gonna have those tears. So me personally, for the leather gloves that I've had, a year or two is max. After that, I'm going to start to have a lot of these tears, and at that point, it just depends on whether or not you want to just spend the extra money. These ones here on the side were perfectly fine, but as I notice here, these parts right here actually started to go. And you see, if you notice, it's a very similar wear pattern right here as well too. So again, it is because I suspect that this is a little too small for them. So once again, if you guys are looking for a good boxing glove, good Muay Thai glove, these are almost just as expensive as the higher end ones. I probably wouldn't recommend them. So these are the Twins Special leather gloves in 16 ounces. Thanks.